dinette wise, does fold down to a bed. Really easy to do. What we're gonna do is remove the back cushion here. Get that out of the way. Remove the back cushion here. Get that out of the way. And what I always like to do is flip these cushions up out of the way. Makes everything a lot easier. Up out of the way. Now down underneath, there is a table leg down here. This table leg is gonna fold out of the way. So there's a button right here on the right side. Push that button in, fold the leg up till it locks, go up at an angle, then come down, and then that's gonna sit in there. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold these cushions back down, slide it in there, put that one there, and then our backrest cushions become our fillers. One there, and then also the small cushions that we had up here on the jackknife couch become the other two fillers that we need. So those will fit right down in there to make your full bed there. So really easy to do. And now we're just gonna reverse that process to set it back up as a dinette. Cushion off, cushion off, flip this cushion out of the way, backrest cushion off, cushion out of the way. Now we're gonna come back up. And the main thing when we come up is that we are at that same angle. Go against the wall, that's gonna lock it onto the wall. And then we're gonna release that leg by pushing that button again. Push that button, release the leg, come down, and just make sure it goes in that harness down on the floor there. All right, then we just tip these cushions back down, back down. The other thing we do have underneath these cushions here are storage under both sides. So if you need some extra storage, grab the handle in the middle. That's gonna lift up and give you some extra storage under each one of these seats.